Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will talk about KingCasino.io, the casino platform for cryptocurrency lover. So you can play games in casino and you can earn cryptocurrency. Yeah, so right now their IO is running on La token and P2B. So we will talk about later how you can sign up. I will all discuss it in this video and we will give you a good review about KingCasino.io. Okay, so right now they are around they have like around 1000 highly qualified games, quality games, slot games like poker, blackjack, many more, roulette. So they are planning to have a good gaming experience for cryptocurrency lover. Okay, right now I will show you how many games they have in their platform, and how many advantages are there if you play in King Casino, or you can, if you are a shareholder of them, you can earn a massive 45% of revenue from their shareholding program. Okay, so we will talk about it. So what advantages give you if you invest in King Casino? So they will give you an opportunity to become a shareholder. Okay, a genuinely shareholder and participate in a booming crypto market. So you will get around good gaming experience and become a shareholder if you are becoming their partner. Okay, if you became their partner, you will get 45% of their revenue shares. Okay, so which is a very good amount. You can play these King Casino games in BTC, ETH, USDT, KCT, their own token. We will talk about that also. What is KCT? So KCT is their inbuilt token where you can play the game if you do not have Bitcoin, ETH. So you can play through KCT and you can exchange in BTC and ETH to withdraw your funds. Okay, you can withdraw KCT also, and you can hold KCT token so that you can earn a more revenue. We will talk about it in the later video, how you can earn money from KCT token. Okay, so KCT is a token ERC20 based, and the total supply is around 113 billion around, and available for sale is around 69 million. Okay, let me guess. Acha, 1.1 billion and 30 million, 1.3 billion. Okay, is the KCT token supply, and in which 69 million tokens are available for sale. Okay, the price is like around 0.5 to $1, which is a good price of a KCT. The first IO is running right now, but it's ended. The second IO is live, so grab fast the token if you can, because the platform is really good and they are working really hard upon their platform. Okay, so what advantages you will get if you invest in King Casino or if you play in King Casino? Okay, so they will give you a quarterly reward. Okay, if you hold KCT, yes, if you hold KCT, they will give you quarterly rewards. Like if Q1 ends, they will give you the reward based upon how much KCT you have. Okay, you hold KCT, you get reward in quarterly basis. So the next advantage is that they will burn 5% of their total supply from KCT in every quarter. Means like after this quarter they will burn 5%. Each quarter they will burn 5%. So or in a whole year they will burn 20% of their supply, which is really good, which makes the token increase price. Their reputation will be increased. So there is many chances to earn from this platform. Okay, then you will have voting power. If you hold KCT or you are a shareholder, you will get a voting power, so you can change anything in this website on your suggestion. Then you have fast transaction. You will get very fast transaction in BTC, ETH, and you will enjoy this game really good. Okay, so that's it, what I have talked about. So let's just sign up into the platform. I will tell you how to sign up in the platform. So the platform link will be given in this description. Okay, so what you have to do is you click give your email, your username and password. After giving your username, let me just give the username. So after giving username and password, they will ask you about your mobile number. After giving your mobile number, you have to select a question from which you will give. This is a backup question and give your answer and select the currency in which you want to adjust your game. Okay, and then you have to submit. If you are 18 plus, then you have to give yes, and you have to accept all the marketing constant. After registration, they will give you a registered email address to verify your email. After verifying, just sign in to the platform. Let me just sign in. So after signing into the platform, you will see this type of dashboard. So if you need to deposit, you can deposit from your quick deposit option is here, and over here is also the deposit option. So there is a really good term going over here, that if you pay the first deposit of $10,000 over here, like this says that you will get 100% bonus on your first deposit up to 10,000, which is a really good deal right now. And if you are VIP member, if you are VIP customer, they will give you 25% cashback, so which is going to be a really good deal. Okay, so if you want to play any game, there is a casino over here. You can go over here and play whatever your game you want to play. Like there is Jackpot 6000, Imperial, Onion, Butterfly Stacks, and many more. Rolled game is also there. So you have to go to live games over here, live casino, and you can play in live. Okay, so there is like lightning roulette, French roulette, hippodrome roulette, European roulette. So there are many roulettes over here where you can play and earn a good amount of money. Okay, so moving on towards our next component, which is around the sale, which is IEO running right now. So first IEO, okay, so we will talk about the roadmap first. Okay, so their marketing campaign 1 is over. ICO private sale, they are over here. IEO listing on P2B and LA token. So IEO is running right now on P2B and LA token, where first phase is ended and the second phase is on. Okay, the second prize will be, okay, so the decentralized platform development token distribution, so this will be going right now. The bounty is running and they will distribute tokens to their partners. Okay, then in 2021, you can see that they will launch their mobile wallet, and which is a really good thing. Then they will mobile wallet, and then they will launch the whole platform in iOS and Android app, which is really good. So going on towards, so their hard cap will be on 50 million and the soft cap will be on $10 million. Okay, and the total amount for this IEO and ICO sale is 69 million, which will be cost on 0.5 to $1. Okay, so phase 1 is running right now in IEO, which is phase 2 is running right now. Phase 1 is ended. Phase 1 was like $0.5, and right now it's like $0.8. So I personally invested in this. It's not from my side that you can invest. If you think that this platform is good, so you can invest in it. I invested because I think that the platform will create a boom in the future. So this is right now round 1 running. Okay, round 2 running. You can easily take at 0.8. I think it will be on 0.95 or $1 in the future. Okay, after seeing that a bond 5% of bond every quarter, so I think that the prices will be high of this token. So this was it for the King Casino side of explanation, how the platform works and how these tokens work. Okay, so let me go through the bounty fast, because the video is very long right now. So they are running a bounty, and there is a last week only remaining, which is around 21 to 27, and today was the last day. If you want to join today, if you can join in many companies. Okay, so I will show you. If you have 500 followers and in Twitter, okay, so you will get 1 stake. You will have around more than 10,000 followers, you will get 15 stake. Okay, same as Facebook, you can register over here